Hi guys, I would like to test my thermal glider thermal catching ability in this nice cloudy weather, calm weather. I like it very much. The wind speed above 50 meters, about 12 or 13 kilometers per hour, so it's very suitable for flying. I made some modification on the glider setup. I take an RXbattery telemetry on the radio and the electronic parts, plus cable into the RX from the LiPo, the proper joint, so I can see the RX level. And I changed the LiPo from 2S for 3S, so the motor is more powerful now, but I just use an 800 milliampere hour LiPo, so it's not too heavy. Let's see a glide test. Wow, oh, very nice weather. Oh my god, oh, very nice. Wow, nice. Nice lift there. Oh, low level thermal. Let's see. Let's see the motor power. I wonder how much power on the 3S LiPo than 2S LiPo. I was very interested in, so let's see. Wow, what a power. Oh my god, full power, and the glider is reach that height super fast. I turned the motor off. Oh my god, wow, there is a little bit windy now. Oh my god, there is no motor. Wow, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Huh. Nice weather, very nice weather. Oh. I turn the motor on now. Ooh, what a power! Oh my god, what a power! Turn the motor off. Oh, very nice height. Very nice height. In our little park I can reach height. The wind blow from north. There is a thermal. Maybe here. I feel some warm air, but oh wow. I try to landing now. Wow. Ooh. There is some warm air. Nice. Oh my god. Oh wow. Success. Thank you.